Hi, I'm Fat Papa BaBa. Today I will open and review this new coffee machine. Let us begin. I'm so excited and go to unbox and review this Nespresso Vertuo and the milk Frother. We have the K-cup machine already. Why I choose this one instead of the Nespresso Classic? After I go do the research, this one will give me better coffee taste. I will tell you more soon. Now let us see what is in here. First, you will see the menu they give us. And then in this menu, they will give you a coupon code. So for your first time to buy the coffee. Then is the user menu. If you plan to get this coffee machine, I will recommend you before you start, take a look on the user menu first. So you will have a concept. They are a little bit different than the K-cup machine or the Classic. So I will say this new one, you will try to take a look on the menu before you use it. Then for this combo, they give a 12 coffee sample come with it. I think it's a very good deal. So each of the style and size, they will give you a little bit, so you can give it a try before you order which one is best for you. And then now you can see this is the milk Frother. And then this machine is not huge, but they are heavy. Okay, let me put those box back. The sample box for the coffee is nice. Now you can see for the milk Frother, it's really simple, and then it's not hard to use. You see, the style is nice and easy to use. After you pack it in, put the milk and close the cover, and then you can make like the cold or hot milk Frother. Then now let us take a look on the coffee machine. For the coffee machine, it's really simple. The front is like you put the coffee cup in, and then the water is at the back. They have a water tank. Now you can see the water tank is not big, but it will be enough for you to make 1 or 2 coffee if like they are like 7 ounce or less. You can see they are really slim, yeah, and not take much space than the other style, or even like the big K-cup size one. If you comparable, the size is much better for this new design. And then you can see for they have like the front to hold for the cup. That way, if you have a small cup for espresso, then you can like adjust to higher. And now is the sample. You can see they show all the different, and not only different flavor, they have different size. The size will be from 1 ounce to 14 ounce. Now let us make some coffee and see how it is. So first you put the coffee in, you close it and lock it. Then you just click one button, and then you will get a nice coffee. I will let you hear how loud the sound is when it make the coffee. I will say it's louder than like you use the K-cup machine or the other coffee maker. I'm so excited for a nice coffee or espresso coming out. Okay, you see why I changed a little bit, and then the reason is I just look at the flavor and intense. I want strong taste, but I forgot to look at the size. So I choose the 14-ounce one, so the cup cannot hold it. So I change another cup, and the flavor is pretty good. If you ask me to compare with the K-cup, I will say they are two different things. I will tell you more in a little bit. Let us take a look on the machine first. As you can see, they are easy to use. After you open, and then like the cup will drop to the tray, so you can like fold it away. And then each of those coffee, like they can recycle. They use like the kind of like the soda can, that material. So it's better than use the plastic one. Even like for the Nespresso Classic or like the K-cup, those they use the plastic one. Those compared to this new one, I would say more eco-friendly. Now let me say why it cannot compare to the K-cup. Probably now K-cup is really common. Like a lot of people will use it, or they have it at home, and you can buy it easily for the coffee like in all the grocery store. K-cup, you probably will be daily coffee. It's just coffee. And then like for the Nespresso Vertuo, this one is like you make a latte at home, or you make a Americano, or you make all the different favorite coffee at home. This one can do it, and K-cup is just coffee. Another difference is that K-cup is like one size of the coffee, and then you from 4 ounce, 12 ounce, you use that size. So you can think about if you make a 10 ounce or 12 ounce, the coffee flavor and that will be less. And then the Nespresso one, this one different is that if you want to make espresso 1 ounce, and then if you want to make a coffee is 5 ounce or 7 ounce, and then if you want to make a family like 1 jar of the coffee, then they have a 14 ounce. So they are different. Con is like the good thing for this one is that they can make this nice flavored coffee or latte. But the bad thing is after I use for 2 weeks, the coffee they make is not hot enough. If you don't have the milk frother to heat up the milk, then probably the milk in the refrigerator, then the coffee will not be hot at all. They will be just warm. And I didn't get it as like sponsor. I really like my wife and kid that buy it as a Father's Day gift. If you ask me, you said like which one is better, they are total different thing. K-cup is like you have a coffee daily, or you just need to grab a coffee. And then the Nespresso Vertuo is you want to have a cup of latte, a cup of like great taste coffee to enjoy it. So you cannot compare to, because the Nespresso, as you can see on the picture now, this is all the coffee me and my wife make. So and then K-cup cannot make those. So I hope this can help you to make your decision. You want Nespresso Vertuo or you want other brand. I will recommend to have this one, but now the bad thing is they are not popular enough, so you can only order online or at their retail store. The grocery store, those don't have this new coffee yet. Other than that, if you ask me the taste, they are much better than like the Nespresso Classic or the K-cup those. I hope you enjoy. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook. Click the bell so I have new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you next Sunday. See you soon.